If you're looking for all-in-one animation composer for Premiere Pro, this is the perfect video that you can see on the YouTube, because in this video I will show you how you can install the animation composer that was called as Premiere Composer previously right inside the Premiere Pro. And by using this plugin you can actually have the huge category of already made titles and typographies. You can use the transitions, you can use the text presets as you can see on the screen, you can have the social media layouts in your videos, you can have the graphics components inside your videos with just one click, and also you can have the sound effects and many more features. So in order to download the animation composer for the Premiere Pro, first of all you need to navigate to the official website, which is mrhorse.com, and this package is called as animation composer for Premiere Pro. And once you're right inside, you need to click on download for Windows, but if you are on Mac you can also click on download for Mac. But for this tutorial we are gonna focus on Windows, so I will click on download for Windows. And once you do so, it will start downloading the file, that is MSI file, and it is a product manager file. You need to click on this, and once you are done installing the Mr. Horse product manager file, you need to make sure it is properly installed in your PC. And once you're done you need to click on close. Alright, so once you're right inside you need to click on next. That is required by the Mr. Horse plugin, that you need to log in with the browser. So I will click on login with browser, but if you don't have any account you can also click on create one. So for this tutorial I don't have an account, so I will click on create one. So you have two options here, you can continue with Google or you can continue with your email or password. I prefer to go with the continue with Google, and it's your choice. So let us click on continue with Google. You need to select your account and you need to grant the permissions that are required. You need to click on continue. Alright, so once you're done it will be displayed as you're all set, and now you need to navigate back to the product manager app. And as you can see, I have successfully authenticated my Google account with the Mr. Horse product manager, and you can see my email has been displayed and I am authorized user for this tool to use. And now I need to go to Premiere Pro section, and I can see this is the animation composer and this is the plugin. So I will click on install. It will start downloading the animation composer plugin. Alright, so it is saying that I have opened the Adobe Premiere Pro 2026, so I need to close it first. So for that I will right click on the Premiere Pro and I will click on close window. And now as you can see my Premiere Pro has been closed, and now I will click on try again. You might need to grant all permissions if required, and that is perfectly fine to install the animation composer with the permissions. And as you can see, the animation composer has been installed inside the Premiere Pro, and now it is installing the free packs, that is the starter pack for the Premiere Pro. Alright fellas, so as you can see, both of these animation composer and the starter pack has been successfully installed inside the Premiere Pro. Now we need to go right inside the Premiere Pro and see if it is actually installed or not, and how can we use it. So for that you need to go to the search bar of your Windows and you need to search for Premiere Pro. Once you type Premiere Pro, you will see the Premiere Pro 2026 version. This is the version that I am currently using, and you can use your own Premiere Pro. You need to click on the app. Alright fellas, so once you're right inside the Premiere Pro, first of all you need to go to the file, and next you need to navigate to project settings and click on general. Once you're right inside the general, you need to find the video rendering and playback, and you need to select your GPU acceleration CUDA from the list. As you can see, I can see the Mercury playback engine GPU acceleration CUDA, so you need to select this one and you need to click on OK. And now you need to find the window in the top navigation of the Premiere Pro and you need to click on this. Once you're right inside, you need to find the extensions, and once you're right inside the extensions, you can see the animation composer right inside it, so you need to click on this. Once you're right inside the animation composer, now as you can see, all of my assets are loaded inside the Premiere Pro. And once you click on any titles or transitions or graphic components, you can see the previews. Actually you can use these presets right inside the Premiere Pro from this panel. So this is how you can install the animation composer right inside the Premiere Pro, and I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. In my next tutorial I will show you how you can use the animation composer right inside the Premiere Pro, so stay tuned for the next tutorial.